Okay, before we get started, I'm going to make sure my lips are nice and clean. I'm taking a cotton pad, just making sure there's no foundation on them, and then I'm taking my toothbrush to soften them up. Brushing your lips is going to get rid of any dead skin and plump them up a little bit. You can see they get nice and rosy, and this is going to make sure that your lipstick doesn't dry out your lips too much. Lip balm is totally optional. I'm going to be applying one just really lightly to my lips because I'm using a matte lipstick, and as we all know, matte lipsticks can be really, really dry. Have a lip liner that matches the color of lipstick that you're using, and if you don't have an exact match, that's fine. You just want to make sure that you have something where you can precisely line the outside of your lips and something that complements the color of your lipstick. When you're applying lip liner, you want to make sure you're tightening your lips. So whether that's doing a smile or just sort of biting your lips a little bit, it helps make the line really precise and tight to your lips. That way you don't have any feathering and it's nice and clean. I'm going to be applying this to my lips. I'm not really worrying about the lines, as you can see. I'm just applying this to the main parts of my lips, and then I'm going to take a lip brush and do all of the precision work. If you find that you don't have a steady hand when you're applying your lip color, just make sure that you're resting your ring finger against your chin or your cheek as you're working. It really helps to stable out your hand. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Leave a comment below and let me know if you're a lipstick girl, lip gloss girl, or just chapstick. And if you have a favorite product that you think I should try,